Hi everyone, welcome to Ẹ̀kọ́ Èdè Yorùbá TV.
So the other time I also talked about Faweli Aranmupe, like I said the other time. So is two syllable. C plus C plus so. C plus so. C plus so. But if you want to read it in English, this one will become sun. Now, if I want to say fun, fi plus that is take. This one sleep, take, fun, gba, give. Sorry, fun, give, fun, give. So C plus sun, that is you are sleeping. Fun, give. Tí bá tún sọ pé if I say wa is also two syllable, two letters. Wa is wa jẹ mu, one syllable but two letters, which is consonant and vowel. Wa. If you want to divide it, this is consonant, this is vowel. This is consonant, this is vowel. You join the two together, wa. What is wa? Calm. Wa lọ. You want to join the two together, lo, go, which is come. This one is come, which is calm. Lo, go, that is li plus o. Àwa di wa lọ, wa wí àti a wá, lí àti ọ wá lọ. So these are the syllable méjì. I want to remind you again about the syllable kan, ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù kan. I told you is like a verb, is an action word. The example I gave you are lọ, jẹ, mu, sọ, which is eat, sleep, go, come, sleep, and so on. But in Yoruba, wa, that is why I wrote it. Wa, lọ, tọ, urinate. Lọ, gbà, give, come, wá, go, lọ. So I've told you about Baba. Then we also have the part of our body. I want to make it as an example now. I say ojú plus ju. This one is vowel. This one is vowel. When we say Oro Onisilebu Meji, that is vowel will be there, which is Faweli, consonants and vowel. Eléyìí ni Faweli. This one is Faweli, vowel. This one is consonants and vowel. O. This is G àti U, J plus U. The other time I said ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù kan, one syllable. Ojú, 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 ojú. Look at this one. When we say etí, ear, what is ojú? Eyes. Eye. Ojú, eye. Ojú, eye. If I say leg in Yoruba, ẹsẹ̀, which is leg, and it will be ẹ plus c àti ẹsẹ̀, ojú, ẹsẹ̀, which is leg, ẹsẹ̀, ojú. So ó jẹ́ àpẹẹrẹ ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù méjì. So we've learned about ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù kan, syllable, one syllable and two syllable, which is syllable. So ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù méjì. We also have ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù mẹ́ta, ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù mẹ́rin, and so on.